Guys, we are not eating normal here. Guys, our body dey pepper us. We no dey smile for this video. Guys, why? Because we go sit down like 2 hours here, come dey make content, cooking content. Guys, after standing up for 2 hours, we no go see any views. Those people wey just sit down gidigba come dey eat their food, they go dey get views like tomorrow no dey. We say we no go gree. We cooking content creators, we say we no go gree. Wetin we go do be say, why not join the queue? We don't join them because our body dey pepper us. Okay, I can't just stand up for like 2 hours cooking video here, presenting things, arranging table, washing plates, cooking. After cooking, start arranging again, stay like 2 hours, 3 hours, only cooking many foods. After everything, I go get like few views. Those people wey just sit down, they enjoy themselves jejely. They take drinks, they take it anyhow. Guys, they go they get 1 million views. Guys, we say, you know what? No. You no gonna agree for that. Wetin we do be say, we go join una clue. Chicken, that's all. So watch us eat. We know the as in we are not eating normal. Guys, make this one go by the side. Oh yeah, move. Guys, tana. When person come put sunshade like this, wetin you mean be say as in the ground no dey level. Okay, as I come carry this thing put for eyes, no say me as in being a cooking content creator, I know they happy for this. Guys, we really want to get that 1 million view. Those people wey just dey sit down, they know they stress, come they chop. Guys, come they get many views. We will go enter kitchen every day, come they prepare many things. Yeah, you know they get anything. Guys, we say, you know what? You see these views, we gonna get them. Make we join them. Okay, watch us eat. As I say, we are not eating normal here. Wetin we carry come here. Guys, this now bonga stuff. We go tantalize you. We go sweet you well. We, if you dey chop am like those people where they sit down, they chop, go they enter your medulla. This is only but spaghetti. Guys, kindly make your spaghetti. Their own be say they buy am. Me, I no go buy. I go stand up for 2 hours cook am. But you see this chopper for here, I go follow una dey chop am. My own be say una dey spend money they buy, but my own I dey prepare my own myself. Guys, if you never follow me on my page, kindly rush now. Guys, follow, like, share. If wetin we dey do here they interest you, okay, watch us eat. Guys, those where they eat normal, they know they carry for hand their food for hand. But you see here, as in I no go take them again. We no go take them again. We people where they cook food here, we no go take them again. Guys, see as those people where they sit down, they eat. They know they carry for hand like this. They go just relax, as in do makeup, as in carry themselves like queens and king. Come they chop here, they enjoy themselves. But did I do like that? You see makeup for my face? Not at all. This thing shows say as in I really want my video to go viral here. So let's continue eating. You know they realize they chop am. You know the last the chopper. So now this kind enjoyment they enjoy with that. We just sit down the chop. No stress, nothing. After everything, people go come they watch you. Shoo? Omo, that one no go happen again. You go better join in. Guys, if I would have known for so long, and for them they do am take. Guys, I go even leave cooking video, come join them. Which kind as in, this na big enjoyment, Jerry. A big enjoyment, just sit down dey chop just like that. No washing plate, no cooking food, no arranging table, just sit down gidigba eat after. Do makeup, come sit down, just dey eat. Right. That's why I no do any makeup. I carry sunshade cover my face to show you say no, I no agree again. That food wey dey chop here, we go chop am. That thing wey dey get here, we go get am. Oya, let's go. They keep the plate for table. Me, I carry my own for hand to show you say I don't mean am. Nothing go remain for this plate. They shape mouth, they chop, but we know they shape mouth. I don't know other cooking content creators if they see wetin I dey see for this platform. Guys, no. Better we join the crew. No, I know they shape mouth. Some people go eat. If they finish eating, they go remain some for plate. Not at all. Everything on this plate go finish. Pata pata. Guys, they use fake to chop their fake and this thing. Fake and the knife, per knife. They chop their chicken. Being a hand that they use. You know, I know come here, come do English. That enjoyment, we go follow them, they enjoying. This one, you know for the day. Guys, we don't finish and be that. As I say, nothing will remain for this plate. Guys, I hear say that they chop fruit also. You see this kind of enjoyment these people they enjoy for you. I can't hear say that they take soft drink, energy drink as well. For them to just get energy. No only enjoyment, no stress. If I make this kind of mistake next time, let me do myself. Guys. Guys, na joke we dey oh. No be person send you make you go dey cook, okay? Follow us, enjoy. Please like my video, share. Guys, thumbs up if you really like what we are doing. We are normal human being. Guys, na joke we dey. No be person send you make you go dey cook. Cooking is very